up, guys? Back again with another video. This is my 5th video this week. I might even have a 6th video depending on when my next video. So yeah, and happy 4th of July. But yeah, it's just gonna be lit. So I'm going to my friend's house. It's Emily Art. I definitely check out her channel and all that stuff. So yeah, it's a 4th of July montage, and as I said, happy 4th of July. But you're probably going to be seeing this on July 5th, maybe even July 6th, because I have to edit, and I might have, yeah. So, you might actually even see this on July 4th, or July 5th, or July 6th, because again, I have to edit. I might actually have an extra play date, all that stuff, so you're going to be seeing some firework footage, maybe even some manhunt. I'll vlog that, and then, a pool montage, and then of course this intro. So first I want to talk about thank you for a lot of this. Like, my only disliked video is one down, has like 3 dislikes. I don't really care though. I mean, it is one down. But anyway, let's just get right into the video. Hey guys, so we are here at the house, and then here's their pool. So I'm gonna make a pool montage. I have this little like thing. I'm not filming with the GoPro or anything, but okay, guys. So now I'm in the pool. I'm probably not gonna have much underwater shots, but yeah, and I'm splashing around. Oh no, I almost drowned, but yeah. Okay, I'm filming. That's a view underwater. But yeah, okay, guys. So I got my goggles on. So I guess I'll film me going underwater.
Yeah, but that's for this year.
Okay, sorry.
I gotta wipe my eyes. I got sunscreen.
So yeah, this pool montage isn't going to be very good, but it's definitely not the last part of the video. Okay, I'm going to try not to go underwater a lot, but yeah. Okay.
There's this thing down in.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, it wasn't a very good pool montage, but I'm pretty much done, and then we're going to move on into more stuff. But, yeah, so, yeah. Okay, guys, so we are out of the pool now, and I don't know what we're going to do next, but yeah. We're going to go into their play center, I guess. I guess. Not I guess. Let's go into the little house. Let's check this thing out. Oh, wow. This thing is run down. I don't care. I like spiders. I have a pet spider.
Alright, it creeps me out.
I know. Yeah, if you didn't know, we're at Emily Art's house. Well, that's at least the name of their channel. Are there like wasps up here?
No.
Yay.
I think we're really lucky. Now we stay. And we just got a roof.
We should have Penelope like try and get us, and then we like stay in there. Wouldn't that be cool?
Have you ever been on top of the roof?
No. Okay, guys, so we're in the house, and now we are gonna run from her sister. So let's shut the windows.
And more spiders. And actually, I can't come in here because this is my.
Okay, let's shut all the windows and get heat stroke.
Ah! Here, I'm in.
Time to be safe.
Haha. I'm in here. That.
Well, I'm totally safe.
Well, I'll go under here. So I'm.
Okay.
I'll come
Hello.
Hello. Bonjour. Bonjour, monsieur.
Tell Penelope to get us.
Penelope, come get us. This is why I didn't want her coming up here, because she never gets down. Very good. Back to the treehouse.
Okay, we're in this little pee hole. Sorry, I said pee hole. Okay. Let's see. Oh no!
Okay.
He's coming close.
Okay. I pull. I know you help down. I know you help down.
Oh no, get up.
I think that hole.
Okay, guys, so right now it is about like 5:40, but you don't care because you're going to be seeing this tomorrow, which is July 6th or even July 7th, because I have to edit and I might even have some extra stuff. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do next. I just know that we're going to have a firework montage, but yeah. Scooters. So yeah, we're playing scooters. Probably after this, we're either going to have the party thing or the firework footage. I have no idea.
Want me to film?
Okay, so where are we going? We're gonna bring my little cat to story hours where she can listen to a bright-eyed college kid read about magic bears and crap. Magic bears. This is always a big opportunity. Okay, sorry guys. This filming's bad. Well, that sounds weird. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna turn out to be a longer video, not like my longest. It might be. I don't know. And now we're going down the driveway. As you can see, it's a bit of a hill. It doesn't really look like a hill, but it is a pretty big hill. Does that look like a hill to you?
What?
This right here.
The driveway or the grass?
The driveway.
Yeah, I'd say so.
It doesn't really look like a hill.
It doesn't look like a hill, but if you like lay down on it, it kind of looks
Yeah, whatever. Okay. Meet you guys. Okay, guys. So we were just gonna sit. We were brainstorming for ideas on what to do. Look at the grill. We're cooking stuff.
Don't blow it out.
Smoky. Beer drinker.
Just stay low.
It's not a beer. Everybody stay low.
Well, whatever. Okay, guys, we are dipping in again. Sorry. Ah, it is kind of warm. It is warm. Ah, so beautiful. Okay, so I guess it wasn't the end of the pool montage. When I said it was, we're still in, I guess. And there's underwater. After this, we're probably going to get to the firework footage. Something like that. Something or other. But yeah. Swimming with you guys. Okay. Peace.
Did you get me in it?
Well, now you're in it.
You're gonna have to. I will take
Okay, so yeah, it is really lovely. Filter and all. Okay, we were underwater for a bit. Pretty much gonna be the end of the pool footage.
Are you kidding me?
How did we see that? Oh, I think I just saw it out back that way.
This way?
Yeah. It is beautiful out. I hear firecrackers coming from that area. I hear the big ones coming from that area, and I hear small fireworks coming from back there. I don't know which way to go. I feel all the spots have their own cool things. I really want to see the firecrackers and the big ones. I'm not so interested in the ones back there as I am up here. Because this is the stuff. I'll keep you guys alert. Okay, I just literally saw it out back that way.
Where? This way?
Here we got a, your yard goes all the way up to here, right?
No. My yard goes all the way to
Yeah, so we can go up there and see it.
All right, guys. So, not the end of the video. Not yet. We're actually just getting to the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Gosh, I cannot say that. They're out that way. I saw it again.
It's pronounced 4th of July.
I know, I can't say it for some odd reason. Oh my gosh. So this is sort of going to be the main part of the video, I guess. They're out that way. I'm sure. Oh, look, a tennis ball. They're out that way. Yeah, I don't see them either. Okay, I think we're going to have to wait a bit longer until the big ones come out. But me and Eiffel Emily Art, as I am calling her, are going to the top of her little playhouse just to maybe see a bit of a view. And maybe we'll keep you guys alert up here. I guess, I mean, there is a better view up here, actually.
Yeah.
You can hear them, but you can't see them.
Which I don't understand.
I mean, I guess you can. Sound travels farther than the actual looks. I have no idea.
Me neither.
Net.
Right.
Little net. Well, there's a good view.
I don't see any.
Look, there's the Milky Way.
Milky Way? Where?
Okay.
Oh.
It looks like it, though.
They're out that way.
Oh, I saw it! Oh, yeah, they're out there. They're out there. They're out there. Finally, we got some fireworks! Gosh!
Oh my!
My gosh.
I'm sorry, I haven't seen them in a while.
I haven't seen them in like a year.
I haven't seen them.
No, I actually saw a few dumb ones last night. I gotta be fast with my picture taking and my videoing.
No,
There are a few. They're just quiet.
there.
Oh, that
there.
was beautiful. That was beautiful. And this is exciting, finally. So I guess they're releasing the big ones?
Yeah.
We can zoom up closer.
Try that.
Okay, you can actually see the smaller one. Okay, that was beautiful. I wonder who's releasing them. It might be a Towns thing. Well, I guess it has to be.
Yeah, it has to be.
Right here, honey. Here, stay up high where you can see. Up here.
Okay. Wow.
What you doing?
His name is.
And what you doing?
He's videotaping.
I think
Oh, that was beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is lit. Did you see that? That has to be illegal. That has to be illegal. Yeah. Okay. I think that is it for our
No.
firework footage.
No.
I'm really interested in these now. I know I said I wasn't interested, but these ones are like columns. They're not like circles. And
That one's really obscured by the trees. This one's going to be better once they start.
launch them. Launch them. Come on. I said launch them.
Stop.
I can hear them. Right when I start filming, they stop.
Oh, I see. They're just
Shut up, baby. Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom.
don't know where to look. That one's too low. Oh, look over here.
Kristen!
I got my film on this one and I got my eyes on the other. Okay. 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 There's smoke. There is smoke. That had to have been illegal.
There's some low ones. Why is there smoke?
We're gonna watch for a few more minutes, okay?
Why is there smoke? Why is there smoke right there?
There you go.
Oh! Okay, that had to have been illegal. So this is the end of the video. Sorry that it's really, really dark. But again, I might do an outro. I may not, but thank you for watching the video. I really, really enjoyed it. And then again, I'm yet to be making more videos. So with that being said, thanks for watching. And as always, peace.